So, a lot of people ask one question is called how can advertise business on your Facebook option. So, Facebook will be know that Facebook profile and Facebook business and Facebook groups. So, how you can reaching for audience for your business information? How do people will be reach? How do people will be reach? So, first of all, your Facebook business will be promoting will be there are multiple options are there. Coming to this, first of all, you can promoting through images, videos, and keywords. These are the main options. Or how many you can go for? Image, video, and keywords. These all will be promoting for the option will be link. That is called your website. This is called your website. So first of all, in this option will be coming to this live, event, offer, job postings, photo and video, get message, filling activity, check-in, poll, watch party, and advertise your business. This will be paid marketing. This will be paid marketing. Few more options are there. The options are completely depend by your tabs. Completely depend on your tabs. In these tabs, we can go for groups, offer, photos, videos, and the post option. In this very important is called notes, and the service. The note nothing but to promoting for keywords. To promoting for keywords. Next will be your services. Add your service name, price, description, and appointment duration, and your block extra time, and your images. These are your services. Service means by your price, starting at variable price, as to price, not price, free, and custom. These are the service option. These are the service option. Next will be your promoting for your articles. What is the article you are promoting? Everything will be depend on your images. Depend on your images. Next will be promoting for videos and images and every option. In this purpose, we have to use access for your particular Facebook business page. First one. You have to go for first one. To promoting for any kind of service by using images. In this one, select your option for photo or video. Upload photo or video. In this, you have to selecting for particular options. Any image you can select it. So here. So in this, select it. Next, add your link. What are the pages and more than pages? No need to accept. Image. Next, we can use for design, web development, design, compulsory use your domain name. So these are you are using hashtags. So here we are using all the two option. One is the hashtag, second will be @. Is there nothing but we can tagging for any pages here. So we are using for @. Which one they're showing for your groups? Which one is showing for your particular group? So here, what that you're showing for particular pages. Which page? Particular pages. So what are the page you have? So every page we have to show for here. So in this, what are the page you want? You can use by @ simple. Just you can go for it. So these are all your pages. If you want, you can select your particular page and give the @ Now you can call for your profiles and page. Depend on the name, we can target by the groups, pages, and a profile. If they will not only for profile, not only for page, not only for groups, they target by every option. If that means we can convert into the your one page to another page also. One page to another page. Now I'm not giving anything, just I'm using for hashtags. Now click for which one you're using for share your post. What option I'm selecting for? I'm selecting only for image option. Which one? I'm selecting for image option. This one. I'm selecting for this option will be in the particular website. Now, same like that, we are using for next post will be there. Which one? Is a video post. First is the image is done. Next, what is the option will be? Video post. Now I'm selecting for video here. Next. Which one you can go for? Video option. Upload photo or video option. Just. First you can selecting for image or video. Based on the options, promotion will be changing for different ways. In this one, I'm selecting for any option will be here. I'm selecting only for one video. I'm selecting here. Just. Select a video. Now, in this video, first you can add by title, website, design and development. So we can use the keywords. So in this, I'm adding for information, just adding for link. Email optimization only for done by one task, it will be finished. Video time, we have to use the some parameters are very important. The parameter is the first title, second will be your description part with using for keywords. So already we using the previous one keyword is there. What are the keyword we can use? We can use the particular hashtags. But in this video, we can use the hashtag also, no problem. Here one more option is called playlist. How to using the YouTube also, same we can using by here, Facebook playlist. For the playlist purpose, to promote the one video with multiple keywords. With multiple keywords. Now you can say promoting for multiple tags. Tags, playlist not by same. Some people is confused interviews. Tags and playlist both are same or not. Both will be not same. Tags will be your keywords. Playlist will be promoting your particular in the keyword option. Tags will be a particular the related video option. Just website design. Anything in the first time, don't forgetting for your domain name. Video done. Next information. add your thumbnails. Thumbnail will compulsory add by your particular options. Use a thumbnail and use it. Okay, is a thumbnail will be here. Title done, description done, and the tags will be done. In this, everything will be finished. Next will be thumbnail will be finished. Thumbnail will be finished. So next, subtitle and caption. So this will be only for using by how the subtitle will be only English. Now, if you want to create any poll nothing but your multiple choice question. If you play the video time, if you are play any kind of multiple choice question, are looking for any website design and development, IT City, create a poll here. Are looking for this offer. Yes. I'm not repeated by the same question. Why? Question already is there. Just ask question. Are you looking for this offer? People are interested. Click first. So why I'm creating poll? People engagement for my video or not? I have the question mark. Here, one question is there. How many poll we can create? Suppose here drawback is there. Sorry, drag. Drag will be selecting for. Suppose you're selecting for total video. We'll create only one poll. Select the particular timings. You create multiple poll. Each minute you can create multiple polls. So poll is not only one and not only two. Depending on your timings, you can create your poll option. So now how many I'm creating for? 1 minute 42 seconds I'm creating for poll option. So if you want changing in this, when you go to subscribe time, it's asking for poll option. Now save. It asks another poll. So we say enter time we have select. Poll will select only one option. Done. Next, tracking this one. Custom label for your category. Or the category will be services. Done. Next one. Last one is the option. This is not there. This option is not showing for the add detail for more than 360 degrees guide. The video will showing for 360 degrees. Now clear? Video details. What video detail will be? 3. Title, description, tags. Next thumbnail, compulsory. Subtitle and caption. And poll creation. And tracking. Tracking will be the video will belongs to which category? Website design, services, web development. These all will be your categories. Next. How to publish a video? Publish video will be two types. On-time publish with live publish. Here we not using any kind of softwares. We're not using for any kind of softwares. Here publishing will be two pattern. On-time publish with Facebook live. That is called, Facebook give the future name is called Premiere. Facebook give the option called is Premiere option. Premiere nothing but the video will be go for customer by live video. As a live video. Where you can watch that video. There is a live option. That is called, they give option. Video post. Second will be Premiere. Premiere, on-time Premiere is that. Scheduled Premiere also there. But scheduled Premiere only for 7 working days. 10 minutes to up to 160 minutes. As a particular timings of the here in this. So if you go for Premiere, we have the two options. Schedule also will be there. How many days? We schedule by the 1, 2, 3, 4. In this particular using for schedule in this option. If you go to the particular Premiere, the particular schedule will be, we can give this. So the video post will be there. We can go for schedule. We can go to schedule up to 6 months. How many months? Up to 6 months. So that is the schedule will be counted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is it clear? So the schedule will be, you can go for up to 6 months of time. This is a pattern for in this Facebook page. In this small update is there in your Facebook page. Previous we can schedule by the up to 6 months. After 6 months, date will be hide, not enabled to the users. But Facebook update is called after 6 months also date will be enabled time. Nothing disable option. Everything enabled. But they are accepting only up to 6 months. It's a new update by Facebook. So if you schedule any post up to 6 months. Here one more option is there. What is that? Suppose your today time will be 6:50 for your time. I can schedule by 6:55, not possible. Suppose yours are 6:50 is your time. 6:51 you have to schedule the post. Impossible. You have to minimum wait for your 10 minutes of time. On time schedule also not possible. Anything. If you go live or anything, on time live will be not possible. You have to wait for any schedule up to 10 months. Sorry, 10 minutes. Not 10 months. Is that 10 minutes? 10 minutes up to you can schedule by the up to 6 months. In interview question, we can schedule the post in the on time within a minute. You can schedule the post by Facebook. Impossible. Is it possible? Say for interviews is completely impossible. We can't schedule the post on the on time in the next minutes. Everyone you have to wait for up to 10 minutes. Is a premium option or schedule post. Premium will be supporting for up to 7 days. 10 minutes to 7 days. But schedule will be up to 10 minutes to 6 months. These two very important. Schedule time. Here one more option is there, your Facebook. Backdate posting. This only Facebook page user we can eligible. Previous is option Facebook profile also there. They remove a Facebook profile. Only eligible by the Facebook page. Here one question is there. So I'm creating page will be yesterday. Can I schedule by before 1 year? Not like that. When your page was designed, up to the date we can do the backdate post. That is called, here we can select the backdate. I'll go for, when I'm creating for 2014. Which month? January. Date will be, we can easily connect it. Jan 6. Easily I can find out my Facebook page date. When I'm creating for 2014, January 6. My page was created. Can I post up to 2014 also? Now is 2020, I'll post up to 2014. Is a backdate post. When you're creating up to page, I'll creating backdate post. Is it clear? These are options for backdate. Backdate no limit. Why is a backdate post? But schedule post, premium will be 7 working days. Schedule post will be up to 6 months. Now, I'll go with the premier. Video post with the publish now is an on-time premiere. No schedule is an on-time premiere. Video post with the publish now is an on-time premiere. If you go premier version, you have to wait for 28th, 7 p.m. I'll go with the option call is 7, 8. 7, 8 p.m. is a possible. I'll go with 7, 9 is a schedule post. Up to how many minutes you have to wait? 10 minutes. Premier one and schedule post. I'm not interested. Publish now. Video post and publish now. In this news feed, display in watch, allow embedding. I'll embed nothing but the embed code we can using for website purpose. I'll discuss about the embed code using for YouTube. Same way we can using for website also by YouTube embed code. And add secret video as your option. Add your secret video. Next thing is important option. Which one? Playlist. Which one? Playlist. Select here, create the playlist. Existing one is that we can create a n number of playlists will be here. Create a playlist, title, description and the image. Title will be 50 characters, description writing for 250 characters. The same like supporting SEO title and description. So writing for website design and development This is done. I'll go with writing something they're not accepting for in this option. Why? It's only for particular characters. Add your image. Same keyword. Image is the same image also you can upload, no issues. But playlist is important. Your keyword is the important option. So how many playlists we can create? N number of. No limit for playlist. You have to promote your video with a multiple keyword as a playlist. Each playlist supporting for your increase the view for your particular video. Just which one is the website? Add by the things. Is it clear? I'm adding for total 8 playlists. Existing one, remaining 7. Total how many playlists? 8. Next one. Here is option for we can share for other pages also. We can share for other pages also. So one page you can share your video will be other than another page also. Only video can possible. Image will be not possible. Only video can possible. So these are the options. Total how many pages is there? More than 161 pages are there. We can share by another 161 pages also. So can I promoting total pages? We can promote total pages. But you have to promoting for 11 pages. But here's a small drawback is that. There's a small drawback. Suppose you can share by one page to another page. Next page person, they have to accept. When accept that page person, they can see the video on the page, or else they can't see. If you're sharing for one page to another page by using video marketing time, the person can accept compulsory in the page person. They get one notification that they will be accept. When accept, they show on the particular page. Now got the point? If I'm sharing for another page also, the page person compulsory had to accept in this format. Now, if you want anything here, just like, comment, and reaction and share. This will be not enabled. This will be not enabled. Only one is enabled. Turn off live commentary. Why showing for live commentary? I'm running the video for live. What the option call is premiere option. Now we can go for publish. We go for publish. Before publish, you have to check the option. It's not a SD video. First option. Tags done. Description done. 3 minutes video will be not done. The video will be not in a 3 minutes. 4 parameters compulsory important. SD video, 3 minutes, description, tag. If you're looking for your Facebook earnings, not for promotion. If you want to looking for Facebook earnings, this 4 parameter compulsory important. 3 minutes, video description, tag and SD video. Compulsory your Facebook looking for earning purpose as a video. The compulsory you maintain the 3 minutes video description, tags, and your option will be last one SD quality video. The option call is Facebook video earning purpose. These are ad break earnings. So I'm not looking for ad break earnings. I'm looking for my business promotions. I'm looking which one? Business promotions. So click for publish. One video you have to promoting. These all options are required on your Facebook page. This all will help by the view will be increase. So it taking from less than minute, uploading video and up page by publish the video option. So video will be going on publish. Is it clear? These are parameters we can follow where video marketing purpose. Is it clear? Before that I'm promoting for image. Now I'm promoting which one? Video promotions. So now is done by your video option. So is done by your particular video posting. Here will be showing for poll button. Why? That time I'm getting for poll option. Is not ad. Some people are looking for what is that option also. Is only poll option. When coming to this cursor will be here. You got the one pop-up option. Are looking for you this service. Why? After play this video, I have to ask the question. What the question will be? Are looking for this service or not? So this compulsory you can add the question. Then if we ask the interested, click for yes. That means by easily we get the answer also. This is the option. Up to end of the video, they are asking one question. Are you looking for service or not? Yes or no? Give this one. Is it clear? This is a marketing for your videos. First I'm looking for images and video. Last one to promoting for keywords. Keywords tab will be is given by the note. Given by the note. So add a note. In this first you can drag the image. Image will be already is there. Already can go upload by the images. So image I am uploading here. Image will be particular size will be selecting for your particular option. 823 by 320 pixel. This image you can select. Image will be large size. So I'm selecting only for particular one. So I'll give option for here, this option. So selecting here, website design, development. So just I'm writing this one. In this, which is the parameters are important. The parameters are only for description. Each description will be calling for two options, photo and embed. Photo and embed one. So first we add the description. So just what are the information will be there. So what we can using for our document, in this we can using for anchor text also. We can give hyperlink for in this content also. So everything is ready. Paste it. We can give by anchor text also. Each link we can give by anchor text. Bold, italic, any option we can possibly in this. Add by another photograph also here. If you want to add the another photographs. But don't give the direct links here. Don't give the direct link. These are like an article. After this one, click here, get quote. That mean by are looking for any quotation? Are you looking for any kind of service? Click here, get quote here. Just here and small give the option, copy link. In this what we given by the anchor text, select it. Is it clear? Total also we can give anchor text. It's not a big task. But one by one is accepting. Multiple at a time may not give anchor text. One by one give the anchor text. Is a sentence formation. Now, before posting article, what the name is? Rakesh Tech Solutions. After posting article, you can see this one. Publish. Close. Now see the keyword. Website design development with online portal with best price in location. So they build by which one? Keyword building. They build by which one? Keyword building. So clear? I'll go with the three promotions: images, videos, and keywords. These three will be we can promoting here. Total will be three. Each one is the promoting will be only keywords. Only promoting will be keywords. Now, the last option for your page, website link promotion. Website link promotion will be two types, with a single image with multiple images. With a single image and multiple images. If you go to any Facebook page, so a lot of people posting for only one image. Yes or no? These all will be one image. So they are mostly going for one image. So these are videos, images, We'll go anything, just refresh. The any multiple slide will be there. I'll show the multiple slides. So you can go with this. These are we can using for multiple image will be post. This means nothing but we can promoting for one option to the website to promoting for multiple images. But here one common size is there. The size will be 512 by 512. Another size not accepted, only for 512 by 512. This will be multiple image posting. How to post? How to post along with the link. If you click any image will be done. Any image will be done. They go to your website. The people understanding Telugu, Hindi, English, anything will be accepted. Anything will be accepted. Now, how we can target? Now, my website will be target, will be another option that is called location-wise target. Previous image and video are not adding any kind of locations. Now I'm adding for with the location target. My website will be target with one location-wise. First, open for the websites. Copy. Don't touch any options. Select it. Automatically they are showing for some images. They are showing for 2 images in this. So in this 2 images will be shown to the customers. In this one, I'm selecting for images. Where you can go for image in your particular project. What the image size? 512 by 512. So we can selecting for particular images. Where images will be. Now I'm selecting for both versions. Post it. Okay, just last image will be automatically showing for logo. First 2 image will be showing for this option. First you have to show the only for in this. So your particular sizes. So what how to show the image will be not properly designed. This image will be not for 512 by 512 size. This will be another size. Just remove it. Select by the 512 by 512. Go to image 1. What is size? 512 by 512. Select by the your options. Select it. I can see properly designated. Now visible customer properly or not? Yes or no? The people will be high contact will be easily will be done with your particular post. It need by will promoting will be your website will be 3 types: Telugu language, English, and your website link. If you are promoting for your business on your website with the multiple language, you are uploading for multiple images, the size will be 512 by 512. 512 by 512. Add your content here, Telugu or English. So selecting on content. Add your option. Select your things. Everything done. Here, very important point. The point will be called check-in. The poster will be where you can go by check-in. Select it. The name is called Hyderabad. Where a lot of options are there. In this, we can selecting for option will be here. Just they scroll down in this option. So they are called Hyderabad and the Telangana. The city will be selecting for Hyderabad and the Telangana. So just we can go for it. So this one. Guys, here very important point. Check-in time. They are showing 2 type of maps. Hyderabad. One is Pakistan. Second will be Indian map. So don't select in Hyderabad will be Pakistan map. Here will be always forgetting for Hyderabad and Telangana state. So recently, a lot of people get doing the mistakes. Now in this one, very important point you are using for hashtags. So what is hashtag we can use the previous one? The same will be using for in your particular options. Select it, copy, just now click for share now. Again promoting for my particular post, how many options are? With a multiple poster, multiple language. Each post how much size will be? 512 by 512. These are the options. Now every task is done. Now what is our reaching procedure for organic market? Is a free one posting is done. Which one? Link is done, image is done, video is done, and note is done. How to share? Share will be two types: with the business page, with the profile. With the business page, with the profile. This is a marketing share. In this purpose, first of all, we have the two options will be there: with the profile share, with the page share. First of all, we can go with the page share. Page share will be, we can go to share, only share option, group and pages. Facebook, another option will be called groups. We have to add the particular groups. Add the particular groups. Next will be pages. If you share for other pages, select it. We can share for a number of pages. How many pages you want to select? Select the pages. Before sharing, copy this content. Here, page. Which page you want to select? Select here. Select your page and your post. Post time we can, what are you using for? Check-in option. Check-in for where you selecting for? And Telangana state. Now click for post. After posting, you have to check this page also. How to post my information. How to post my information. So in this one particular option, so in your content part, you have to check the post. This is where your post will be here. They're only promoting for your post information. These are page to page sharing. If you are sharing for profile to share, now you are selecting for page to page share, your understanding. Only groups and your page, only two options. Always remember, if you share to your page option, only option will be here. Group, event and page. No other option. Existing your page groups and your another pages and your event pages. Coming to your profile, lot of options are there. You can share by your friend's timeline, your timeline, lot of options are there. That is called, select here, share, first option, your timeline, select it. Your timeline, select it. Check in your option, Hyderabad and Telangana state. So a lot of people asking questions. So why is it compulsory informed by Telangana state? It's compulsory informed. Why? Because it's a small mistake. They go to the separate country will be go your post. So compulsory, you have to show that. Suppose you not mentioned the Telangana state. See this one. If you're selecting for any Hyderabad, map will be changed. This will be, we can selecting for Telangana state. Here is a option where you can use the Telangana state. Now click for post. Compulsory follow instruction and to do the post. Now share. Another option, share it is. Your storyline. Where you can select it by your storyline also. Coming to the your friends timeline. What is the friends timeline? A lot of people asking question. That mean by you can target by new friends. They are not in your friend list. They are not in your friend list. You are shared by your friend. Your friend post shared by their friends. You automatically reach by their profile friends. So your friend will be your A, B will be your friend. Your share the profile will be A to B. B, how many friends are there? B friends. They're showing for B timeline. You're targeted by new audience. You target by the new audience. So I'm selecting for here in this option. So I'm target this person. Select it and click for post. This is only where it is targeting by Hyderabad. So if I'm targeting, posting will be done. So where it is done. So definitely you have to selecting for Telangana state. Post. After posting this person, so just you can open this profile. My post will showing for their timeline. Their timeline. They will see my post. People will be shared to the in this post will be. In this profile, how many friends are there? They reach my post. How many friends are there? They reach my post. Is it clear? How many we can share this post will be? We can share n number of persons. N number of new person. Friends timeline. Select your post. I'm selecting for any option. Do this. We can sharing for n number of persons. This second option. First one, your timeline, your option will be done. Share. Second thing is your friends time will done. Third one, you're shared by groups. You have to add the group. So daily, how many group we can select, send it? Every week, you have to share by only for particular weekly 2 times only. If you do the regular share, your account will be spam. Your account will be spam to your account. So relevant groups. Suppose you are posting about the travel information. Share by travel groups. So groups is not match. Create your own groups. Invite some other peoples. But don't think. Suppose you are posting about the some educational information. It was sharing by the unknown information. This is called spam content will be valid. Don't do that of postings. Join the group and share information. So in this one group, I'll using for spread the news is a common point. Spread the word Hyderabad. So when I'm targeting for only Hyderabad, na, this is Hyderabad. If I'm go to Warangal also, share by Warangal. In this information, add by the Warangal. This will be supporting for both places. So yeah, Warangal city. Click for post. Based on the group, we are to sharing the information. Now open the particular group. Here is that our post will be in the pending status will be there, or their posting will be in the below options. They accept. In this group, how many members are there? So in this group, 6,472 members are there. They got one notification. Where? Like this. They got the notification in this group members. So I'm posting, I not get any notification. New person get the notification. Is a group option. Next thing is called share this option by the option is called by another pages. By another pages. Select the page. Which page you want to selecting for in this option. I'll go this one. I'm selecting for particular page. I have to share the news. Now click for post. First one done by your timeline. Second done by your friends timeline. Third done by the groups. Fourth done by other pages. Last one is a final important point. Private chat. Your friend received by the private message. Your friend received by the private message. How it is that? Share. Private message. Share this option. I'll send any person here. Any groups, any person you can share by here. See, send it. The receive will be personal message. Definitely they will click the link. So what message send to our friend or your anyone? Definitely they click the message. These are options. These are the options to the particular post. So any person will receive my message will be particular. The link will be click. So I'll sending the personal chat. Your friend's timeline will be only one time you can share by one person. If you're sharing for private chat, we can share by multiple private chat. Multiple private chat. This is the organic method for Facebook marketing. Total 5 steps. Your timeline, adding by your friend's timeline, groups, and your pages, and your targeting by private message your Facebook friends. So that is called to marketing any product on your Facebook page. Compulsory your friends will be required. Without friends, you can't target anyone to the market. It's an organic method. Nothing used for paid. This is all using for organic method. So this is called marketing method for your Facebook. First of all, posting, after done by sharing. Weekly we can do the only for 3 times we can sharing by your particular Facebook page option. Regular Facebook share will be problem with your post. Is accepted. Your regular will be only 5 groups you can post regularly. So today you are selecting on 5 groups. Tomorrow another 5 groups. Regular 5, no issues. So today done by 20 groups. Tomorrow done by 20 groups. They will be block the content. Unrelated groups don't post the content. Unrelated groups. You want education, post the education one. Suppose the relevant group is not there. Create your own group, invite to the public. Create to the group and invite to the public. They're reaching for more peoples. When content will be sharing, it will be started, more people will be engaged. So finally, refresh. So in this one, now people will reach it by 1, engage will be 6. How many are done by share? 6 sharing. These are the option. Is it clear? So this will be helped by the particular things. Which one? Your option for Facebook marketing. Image, video, write a note, and your website link. Promotion will be 1 image, multiple images. If using for multiple images, the size will be 512 by 512. If you're using the particular post size will be, you can use any regular post for your website link.